Because then, wait, before I forget, click the buttons, click buttons here, buttons there, add whatever, do what you got to do. This video is another video. I think I've made a video like this 3 times now, maybe 4. 3, 4, I don't know. But yeah, I got a problem, and I just made a video because why not? First, last video was on this thing right here, or my high-tech. I'll show you if I can get this off here. I use some high-tech improvements with a zip thing. You'll notice I'm holding this piece. My problem is right here. It broke. But if you're like most people, and the wind's flapping up there, this is my problem. I break glasses. I didn't grow up wearing glasses. What do you call it? So I'm not really good at wearing glasses. I do have a spare set that I save. It's about slightly off prescription. It's the Italian lenses, made in China. But anyway, with that said, but the good thing is I don't know if I still have the other ones over there. No. The good thing about getting the same glasses over and over again, broken from the VA, I have this one that is, the glass fell out and it's broken right here, a little piece. I need this side. And I have this one, which is another one broke right here, but the 2 things are good, so we're good. We have options. So I'm making a video of me tearing apart my glasses. Is it boring? I don't know. It's just shit I do every day, all the stuff. So here, welcome to my nightmare. I'll try to get this as close as possible here. Welcome to my nightmare. Okay, there we go. Here's the suspect here. Move this out of the way. This is the broken one. I don't know why I keep broken glasses, but we will take this off of here. And no, I didn't prepare for this. I broke them a while ago. Got to come here and fix them. So what I'm going to do is put this over here. Take this over here. Take this out of the way. And if I remember correctly, watching online, it's this little rubber thing. If you take the little case here and go like this, use this for the little screw thingy. My problem is simple. I gotta get that screw out. If I can get a screwdriver for it. I've already borrowed a screw from another. The tricky part on this thing is this thing is not just. It's not one of those problems where you just pull it apart and put the screw in there and we're done. This little piece right here that's in my hand, you can see it. It has a spring on it. The problem with the spring is when you take this part right here, it's a little springy. These glasses are terrible. I think I'm due for a new one soon. So you take this out, but there's a spring in here, and it doesn't not want to come out. There's my tweezers. Good thing I'm fully prepared and didn't clean the bench, right? Pull the screw out right here. Problem with this is that little piece I just showed you right in here, it's on a spring and it never you have to like fight with the damn thing to get it lined up. So what I had to do last time was go like this, and I don't know if you could put it in there closed or open or what. It wouldn't line up. It's like a little teensy bit off. So I have to take one of these things and kind of line it up a little. Nope, that won't work. Just like a thingamajiggy in there. Then you hold it. Take the screw. I hope the hell it goes in there. Oh, come on, get over there. Come on, get in there. I feel like I'm doing surgery. Come on. Why is this got to do this? There we go. Just jam the goddamn thing in there. Oh, this one's Easier than the last time. Holy shit. Last time I couldn't get the little springy to unload, and well, there we go. I think I'm due for a new set of glasses this year. Oh, look at that. It's kind of working. Kinda. This is the quickest I ever fixed them. Holy shit. There we go. Screw that in good. Oh, there we go. Look at that. This one's got, was it JB Weld on it, I think. So anyway. Ta-da! Where's my knife? Scrape that off there. There we go. Ta-da! Now let's go like this. The moment of truth. Yikesers. Do I like these glasses? No. I call them birth control glasses, but they work. See? The reason why I like these ones, trust me, I don't like glasses, but the reason why I like these ones over these wide ones, see how like wide they are? Well, here's the thing. These ones, they, even though they fit my head great, they're wider. These ones are, see, they're like thinner. They kind of bend in. If I go like this, they stay on my head a lot better than those other ones. And if I use a zip tie or whatever, it stays on better. But the string is busted, so I can't use this anymore. I can't use the string. Maybe I'll just zip tie it under. Anyway, I need a new string. And with that said, my glasses are fixed. They're birth control. They're all getting all scratched and crap. So with that said, that's pretty much the gist of this video. Yay! That was exciting. That's it, really. That's all I got for you. Am I going to work on bikes tonight? Nope. Am I going to work on anything else? Nope. I could just, if I really wanted to, I could get a, what do you call it? What the hell was I going to say? I could work on some stuff tonight, but I don't want to. I want to go back and relax. I did too much relaxing yesterday. Tired, so. With that said, I'll stop yapping. Take it easy, Toodles. I hope this video was somewhat entertaining. Thanks for watching.